Hey guys, not the thing I normally do, but this microwave was making a sound like a Geiger counter is any way to describe it. I googled clicking, but like it's not really a clicking. A Geiger counter is actually the right way to describe it. I'm going to show you what it is. It's actually the little speaker for the Bing, which is here. So just want to clarify, guys, this microwave was making this noise when the microwave was plugged in but wasn't actually working. The microwave was working fine, functioning fine. That was the only issue was when it was in standby, you were hearing those Geiger counter clicks. Sometimes you'll have wires going into it you can disconnect easily. You can just take it out, desolder it however you want. Now, if you've never taken apart a microwave, this is the capacitor that's at about 2000 volts. And this is the capacitor that's at 2000 volts. If you don't know how to safely discharge that, you really shouldn't take apart a microwave because that is more than enough to kill you. So this will obviously lose your Bing when you disconnect it, but I actually would prefer, but this microwave has no way to turn off the Bing, so I'd actually prefer to have it gone. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful to someone. Bye.